It's now 6:48, and finally, we are getting ready for the last home hack of the day with our very own Brandon Hamilton, who's live at the Home and Garden Show. What do you have for us?
All right, home hack number 5. This is Rachel Elise Trimble with Restyle Junkie. Hello again.
Hello.
All right, so for this one, you've got an ugly fireplace. You got to spruce this thing up. What can you do?
Yeah, so if you've got the typical tired old brass, it's as easy as some Rust-Oleum high heat spray paint, and you can get a neutral black super quick.
All right, perfect. Just like that, as easy as that, spray it down and look, brand new. Okay, so you've got this blank wall, maybe above the fireplace. It's just white, it's ugly, you need to spruce it up. Maybe make it look like something like this with distressed wood. So how do you get wood to look distressed like this?
So typically we have people who look at the distressed wood. This is a real one, super heavy and hard to use for your average DIY weekend warrior. So at Restyle Junkie, we have a machine that adds texture to wood, which makes it a little easier to look at reclaimed. Otherwise, the key is to layer, 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 and sand. So I love using one of these sanders with paints and stains, and also you can distress it, as we were talking about earlier. And a typical tool, Brandon, I know you like here, is a chain. You can use screws and pound them in there with a hammer to make all sorts of different marks on it.
And then to get the colors that we see after you distress it.
Yeah, so I love to use water-based products. I think they absorb into the wood really nicely. They're better for the environment. And again, the key is you can stain paint, and use one of these lovely sanders to kind of open up the grain and give the stain a different place to adhere afterwards.
And then once you're done, you can put it all together. And how cool would this be to have a wall like that in your room? Maybe your living room, a nice accent wall. Once again, where can people come and see your store and get more information and learn more about this?
So they can visit our store, Restyle Junkie, and that is at 7th Avenue and Deer Valley, across from the Deer Valley Airport, or on our website all the time at restylejunkie.com.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for joining us. 5 home hacks. We've saved you a lot of money this morning, from decorating your windows to creating a new beautiful wall in your house, you name it. Home and Garden Show. This is the place to get ideas for your improvements. 1,000 vendors out here. It goes Friday through Sunday. $8 for adults. If you bring a 24-pack of water, you'll get 2 free tickets. The new thing to see this year are the tiny homes. And when I say tiny, I mean tiny. You're going to have to come out and see those here at the Arizona State Fairgrounds. We'll send it back to you.
Yeah, they are all the rage these days. Great tips, Brandon. Love
Appreciate
them.
it.